Hey fam, welcome back to T&D, the mic, talk and drop the mic. So I'm Ujunwa, your host, and if you are an immigrant, a freelancer, or you're just someone working hard to build a new life here in Canada, well, today's talk is for you. Come closer. So we are unpacking something beautiful and most of us overlook until it's very late. Insurance gaps, that's what we're talking about. Because let's be honest, provincial health plans don't cover everything. So joining me today is someone who is helping people fill these gaps. Maggie from Combined Insurance. Maggie, welcome to T&D the mic.
Wow, thank you.
So Maggie, I have questions for you to answer for our audience. Trust me, today is going to be very interesting. So let's start with your story, Maggie. How did you get into insurance and why focus on this kind of coverage?
Honestly, this is where the last thing on earth I will do is an insurance. I used to be a fashion girl, but of course, like most people, things never going to happen until they happen.
Mm-hmm.
So I became a widow 22 years ago and without any kind of insurance knowledge. As a new immigrant, of course, when you say earlier, it's too complicated.
Mm-hmm.
It's too hard and whatever. So I lost my husband and get impacted not knowing it. So that's why I get into insurance, just want to make a difference.
Good. So this is something you can relate so well with your own story. And it is beautiful that it's something that's relatable. You can find a relatable solution as well for everybody. So like a lot of us assume that we are fully covered. But when something unexpected happens, you find yourself like an accident or hospital stay, you find the bills piling up, right? So what are the common gap do you think people do not realize that it exists?
Well, that's a very good question. So what happened is when you're saying that most of Canadian, we do have to go to work. And when your body is not working, then how are you going to make money of it?
The bill doesn't stop.
When we have Alberta health plan, yes, we don't have to pay the hospital. But if you're lying down in a hospital, really, you cannot produce money to pay the bill.
True.
So, yeah, that's to make a difference.
Beautiful. So who is this insurance for? For Canadians on work permit or, for Canadians or people on work permits or the PR people or self-employed folks?
Well, that's actually all above plus more. So we cover anybody is a family. We have a family discount. Bigger family you are, bigger discount you can get. Crazy, right? And then the other thing is the reason why being that this family plan is we can say, let's say if you have your husband and your wife and your kids is not working, if something happened, you're going to drop anything and everything, take care of your family, right? Family is the most important.
Right.
So then we just say then that way you have money and you don't have to worry about going to work. Just focus on recovering for your family.
Good.
And then senior, the other thing, because the traditional insurance and the group benefit, and after 65, a lot of the time cut off disability. But for us, it's because we really want to protect the people. That's the time when we need it the most. So we will cover people application before 70 and don't cancel until age 85. That's the time when we need it the most.
Great information, right?
Yeah.
So there are so many insurance companies out there. Why does Combined Insurance stand out?
That's a very, very, very good question. I stand for our company is because traditional insurance, they spend a lot of money in advertisement.
Mm-hmm.
But our company been around for 100 years. One goal is what we do. We pay claims. When anybody have the worst scenario, we are the best to have it.
So you mean like the claim comes like immediately?
Day one. Yes.
From day one.
Yeah, we count it as a day one.
Interesting thing to know, because I know like most insurance payment comes maybe a month after, 2 months after, and then the bills doesn't wait. Imagine staying at home, you're recovering from sickness, you're not even working, and you have someone to take care of. So having something that comes from day one is so amazing. I know you've never heard about that. Me too, I haven't. So let's talk about like if as an immigrant, I love what you said about empowerment and what you said about us making up our mind to start getting insured on day one, because your company is more like it starts working immediately, more like start working immediately on day one, right?
Yeah.
So for many of us, we are building from zero. So one accident can set us back. right?
Exactly.
Especially for immigrants, right? So what message do you have for immigrants or people that have work permits or people that have their businesses, people that are kind of working somewhere else?
Think about that. Your car, your house, you think is most important asset, but actually it's you. It's not about just insurance. It's the right insurance you needed to pay you when you need it the most. That makes a difference.
Thank you. That's powerful. And especially for immigrants trying to navigate new life here. So, but let's talk about money because no matter what you say, immigrants want to hear about what's the cost.
I love that.
So let's hear what you have for us. How is this your plan affordable?
Okay, so one thing of our company too, we want you to be investing on yourself. We actually have something is called money back. Imagine if we offer you like a car insurance, you get all your money back in 20 years. If you don't get any accident or if you get it with minus.
Where we get everything
Everybody
back?
will switch, right? Yes.
We get everything back.
Option.
Did you hear that? You got everything back. Whether you have accident or not, you still get your money back. They have that plan.
So it's kind of like a saving. You protected yourself, and if you need to make a claim, you can make a claim. So it's a win-win-win situation.
Okay. I feel like starting today right away. Well, maybe after this interview. So thanks so much, Maggie. And what if we want to reach out to you? How are we going to do that? But anyways, I'm the host. You can always reach out to me. And I am also here to direct you to Maggie. And Maggie can also give out her. You have an email?
Yes, I do. An email is MAGGIEH. No. MAGGIELHLAM@gmail.com. Or my phone number is 403-617-0852. Now, I would love to meet you in the person. It's not that hard to look at, right?
Look at that. And she's so easy to talk to. Trust me, she's so beautiful to talk to. We have someone in here in the room laughing out loud at that. And it's so amazing to talk to Maggie. Trust me. So you might want to have a one-on-one consultation with her. So reach out to Maggie. If you do not get the information she put out there, her contact, reach out to me. I'm glad to help. And welcome again. And thank you for joining us at TND The Mic. Chat you later.